Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at a black GPS drone that features dual cameras and visual obstacle avoidance, designed with ease of use in mind, especially for those new to flying. It comes conveniently packaged with one battery and a carrying bag, making it quite portable right out of the box. A key safety feature highlighted is its visual obstacle avoidance system. This technology is built to help the drone detect potential obstructions in its flight path, automatically adjusting to avoid collisions. This capability significantly enhances flight safety and provides an extra layer of confidence, which is particularly valuable for beginner pilots learning to navigate. For capturing aerial views, the drone is equipped with dual cameras. While the product description mentions 4K HD capabilities, the specified video capture resolution is 1080p HD, delivering clear high-definition video footage. For still photography, it can capture images at an effective resolution of 12 megapixels. The presence of dual cameras might offer different perspectives or functionalities during flight. Flight stability is managed through a combination of GPS and optical flow positioning systems. GPS provides reliable outdoor positioning, enabling features like stable hovering and accurate return to home. Optical flow assists with maintaining position when flying indoors or in areas where GPS signals are weak, contributing to overall stable hovering and precise control in various environments. The drone offers a long control distance and HD image transmission range, extending up to 1,200 meters. This allows pilots to explore a considerable area while receiving a clear, real-time view from the drone's camera directly to their connected device via 5G Wi-Fi connectivity. Powering the flight is a modular smart battery. This design simplifies the process of installing and removing the battery. The average flight time provided by one battery is stated to be around 18 minutes. While flight time can vary based on conditions, 18 minutes offers a decent period for capturing video or practicing flight skills before needing to land or swap batteries if you have extras. Being app-controlled and marketed as beginner-friendly, this drone aims to be accessible to a wide audience. It combines important safety features like obstacle avoidance with essential flight stability provided by GPS and optical flow, alongside imaging capabilities for photos and videos. The inclusion of a bag and a modular battery design adds to its practicality as a ready-to-fly package for those looking to get started with drones.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.